Hi, I'll be showing today how to convert Word file into PDF file. There are two processes. One is you have to go to one online platform software and directly convert into from Word to PDF. Another option is you have to install a software named Qt PDF from online and install it. Then you have to print this Word file into a PDF file. I'll be showing you the second option first. Let's see. You are already seeing that I am downloading the software from the net. Here this is the software you need to install. In my computer this software is already installed, so I am skipping here. But you need to install this software first. You need to open any Word file which you want to convert into a PDF. Now go to the print option, select the Qt PDF printer from the printing option, then do print. One pop-up will come and the PDF file will be generated. Now save the file in your computer. That's it. The Word file is converted into a PDF. The other option is you have to go online. You have to find a online software. Google it. Then the name of the software is I Love PDF. This is software. Just open it. There are lots of options. You can merge it, split PDF, compress PDF, PDF to Word, PDF to PowerPoint, PDF to Excel, PDF to Word to PDF, will be PowerPoint to PDF, Excel to PDF, edit PDF, many other options you can check. So Word to PDF. Now this pop-up screen will come. Next, Word file. The same file will be taking. Open it. You can add more files here. If you want to add more files, you have to click it here. Otherwise, just convert to PDF. It will take some time, like 5 seconds. Then it has come. Now download to PDF. You have to click. It has come. Then save as. Save as. It is done. Save as. It's done. Thanks for learning.